Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. iCreate Limited will rebrand and rename itself to Kentire Holdings JA Limited. The company will also apply to the company's Office of Jamaica for a change of purpose from a digital and creative training institute to an investment holding company or holding company. To solidify its position as an investment holding company, iCreate will acquire 51% stake in Parallel Real Estate Ventures Limited for $325.5 million, further expanding its real estate portfolio with high potential development projects. Additionally, iCreate will acquire a 20% stake in Seven's Restaurant for 25 million Jamaican dollars, positioning itself to capitalize on significant revenue growth opportunities under improved governance. During trading for the period September 11, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Pharmaceutical distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 2,127,197 units represented 11.98% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Retail giant Fontana Limited with 1,490,484 units represented 8.39% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Financial conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited with 1,431,081 units represented 8.06% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 11, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $53.78 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $62.83 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.78 and bought the US dollar for $157.01. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.77, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 52 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.86 and bought for $116.34. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.11, selling it for $206.56 and buying it for $205.45. For the credit report tip of the day, turning 50 often brings a renewed focus on securing your financial future. If you're behind on retirement planning, leveraging your credit effectively can be a powerful tool to catch up. Consider these 2 strategies. First, think about getting a secured credit card. If your credit needs rebuilding, a secured credit card can help establish positive payment history while minimizing the risk of overspending. Then use credit for smart investments. Leverage your credit for investments that generate passive income like real estate or dividend-paying stocks rather than for consumer purchases. And with that, we wrap up today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.